guys, it's Carley Smith, Fairy Gutmother, and today I am making one of my most favorite cuts of meat, and that is the Tomahawk Steak. So right here I have two absolutely beautiful Tomahawk steaks from US Wellness Meats. These are all grass-fed, grass-finished beef, better quality meats and better for you. So what I love about these steaks are that they have the bone in, which not only locks in a lot of flavor when you're cooking, but I love to save the bones and make a really great quality bone broth or stock afterwards. You'd be very surprised at how much broth one of these bones will actually yield. The first thing that we're gonna do is pat these steaks dry with a paper towel, which is just gonna help to have the seasoning stick a little bit better. We're going to apply a little bit of oil. So right here I have a garlic infused oil, which basically I just took a couple garlic cloves, crushed them up and added them in a little bit of oil, giving it a little bit of flavor. You can also add in some herbs, that would be great as well. And then we're just gonna lightly coat our steaks on each side, even the edges, with the oil. All right, once our steaks are nice and coated, I'm going to go ahead and season them. This is just a salt and black pepper mix. I'm going to apply this to the outside, the edges, and all over the steak. All right, our steaks are ready for the grill. I've heated the grill to about a medium heat. We're gonna throw these on the grill for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and then don't forget to sear the edges as well. All right, now I'm gonna transfer these to a cooling rack and throw them in the oven at about 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 30 to 40 minutes, or until the internal temperature is about 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium done. Now we're going to assemble the butter that we're going to use to top our steaks with. So just gonna add a stick of room temperature butter, a few cloves of chopped garlic, a little bit of chopped parsley, chopped oregano, sea salt and pepper. All right, we're just gonna mix this all together here. You just want everything nice and combined. All right, our butter is ready for our steaks. I just like to take a generous scoop of the butter and top our tomahawk steaks with this. All right, guys, these look so delicious. I'm going to have to give this a try. That's so good. It's like butter, like so soft. Hopefully you guys enjoy this amazing tomahawk steak recipe. Don't forget to save the bones and make a really great bone broth afterwards. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Fairy Gutmother for more cooking videos and all things gut health. Thank you guys so much for watching.